So our first exercise is standardizing text. Create a clean name column. So there is a column E, type of clean name. Then use the proper close parenthesis and trim parenthesis function to fix capitalization and remove accidental extra space. So i-type na to diri ang formula. Then enter. Then, para ma-appeal lang sa ubos, after doon na siya i-drag. Yan. Ano siya ang first exercise. Then, sa second exercise, handling missing data. Create an email check column to flag missing contact info. So, sa next is, magkuan taog email check. Tayo sa tadali. Then, write the formula. Then, enter. Then, drag na po para na-result po ang uban column. Then, muna siya ang sa exercise number 2. Then, sa number 3, standardizing category. So, mag-create na sa taong clean status sa lain na column, next column. I-type na to ang formula. Parenthesis. Complete Cancel. Code. Then enter. So, drag na sa para na-result ang so that is our exercise number 3. So next exercise number 4. Text to column. Data processing. Highlight your full name column. Highlight. Then go to data. Then select text to column. Then choose delimited. Check space and split the names into first name and last name column. Then, meron na siya i-rename to first name. And then, last name. So, that is our exercise number 4. Next is exercise number 5. Removing duplicates. Goal. Ensure your dataset doesn't count the same transaction or customer twice. Exercise. Copy a few rows of mock data and paste them at the bottom. So you have intentional duplicates. Copy. Then highlight the entire table. Ito yung mukhang i-copy. Then go to data. Then remove duplicates. And ensure all column boxes are checked. Click OK to see how many duplicates rows were removed. So, monto siya na remove na siya. The next is exercise number 6. Data joins with VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. Goal. Learn how to connect data from two different tables, a critical skill in analytics. Exercise. Create a second sheet called pricing. So, diri ata mag-create of sheet. Ato siya i-rename of pricing. Then dira, mag-type ta og example is product name. First column, product name. Then second column is standard cost. Then balik na diri sa product name. Sulat nato diri ang tablet, laptop, iPhone, and charger. Then the standard cost 300 and 825. Then sa column C, ito there of cost. Then, ang type metering formula, V, C, A, ay, A2, sorry, A2, gamma, rise, then A, B, then 2, comma, 5, close parenthesis, enter. Then, drag down para na po yung total at ilang. So, that's it, our exercise number 6.